Welcome to Dexter's Fun Lab. Today we're doing a fossil digging kit. So, Zombers, no! Please can you sit still for a minute? Birds. Guys, can you please excuse me for a minute? Sorry about that. Sorry about Silvers. He just likes cardboard so much.
Did you duct tape him to the table, Dexter?
No, duct tape patrol did.
Duct tape patrol did? I didn't know we even had a duct tape patrol. They're so silly.
Yeah. I give up. Boom. Ow.
Just sit there and watch, Chompers.
Yeah. Welcome to Chompers Fun Lab. Now let's open it, okay?
Okay. So that looks like a National Geographic science kit. Mega Fossil Dig Kit. Show us what's inside.
God.
Oh.
Oh. Don't need any of that.
So what do you have there, Dex?
A big pad of fossils.
Can you show it to us, please? Hold it up. Hold it down. Hold down. There you go. Oh, it looks like you can see some of the fossils. Look at these fossils. That's really neat.
Let's start getting this out of here.
Well, so Dexter, what all came with the kit? We saw the fossils.
And then we have a spoon and we have a knife and a sauce to bless all the.
Can you hold it up so we can see the different things, please? And turn it around. So it looks like a magnifying glass, a paintbrush, and a chisel. And the brush is probably to brush away any dust.
Yeah, that's why. That's what I was.
In that container, after we take the plastic off of the fossils, you can put your chunk of fossils and dirt in there.
I don't need this because my glasses are on.
And Dexter, again, why are you wearing safety goggles?
Because a lot of times I get stuff in my eyes.
Yeah, you don't want dust in your eyes.
No.
So you're gonna be chiseling away at that fossil.
Yeah, and then I'll say, I never want to do anything with dust again.
Hey Dex, do you know what a fossil is?
Yep, stuff a real long time ago.
Yep, it is the remnants of prehistoric plants and animals. And it's not like necessarily bones or anything like that, but minerals have formed around what was left of this animal and have created this imprint. So let me get that open for you, Dexter, and we will take a look. What are you finding over there, Dexter?
So far it is.
You found a fossil? Good job. Now I did let Dexter have a butter knife, and he's done stuff like this before, and he's very careful. So always ask your mom and dad before using something like a butter knife. You have to make sure you keep your fingers out of the way, but this one's very dull. Very neat.
Let's see what it is.
So Dexter, we, I think, identified one of your fossils using the booklet that came with the kit. Do you know what that one was? Do you remember?
A clamshell.
A clamshell.
Clamshell.
Yep. The booklet says that they're really easy to recognize because they look almost exactly like present day clams. That's cool. And this is cool. It says the earliest clam fossils date back to 510 million years ago.
Oh, this one already was broken.
That's a long time ago.
Oh, this one already got broken. I didn't know that.
Do you know where clams live?
Underwater.
Yep. Usually in shallow parts of the ocean.
The phantom!
So Dexter found another fossil, and it kind of broke into a few pieces, but it's called a trilobite. So trilobites, they are in the arthropod family, the same family that includes crabs, lobsters, spiders, ants, that sort of thing. They're extinct now, but they thrived for 300 million years before they became extinct. That's a lot of years. Do you think you're gonna find any dinosaur fossils in there, Dexter?
Yes.
Dexter, I think I see a fossil over there on the side even. You see him? What is that one?
Oh, yeah.
Hold him up, I'm gonna zoom in. Yep. Cool, we'll have to identify that one. So this new fossil that Dexter found is called an ammonite. And they are sea animals that first appeared in the fossil record about 400 million years ago and became extinct at the same time as dinosaurs. Cool, so they had that spiral shaped shell to protect their bodies because their bodies were pretty soft.
Got him.
Hold it up so we can see him.
It's covered in sand still. Then why is it not a hole in it where the clam was at?
Well, that's a good question, Dexter, because clam shells come in two parts and they have like a hinge on the back, so they open up like this. Show everyone with your hands what I'm doing. So they kind of open up like that. So that's why there's not a hole in it like there is with a snail shell.
Ooh, there's one. Oh man, it kind of broke.
That's okay. Fossils are very fragile. They can break easily.
Actually, it didn't break. I don't know. Oh, here's another clam cell.
Dexter, did you just make a really cool discovery?
Yes.
What is it? Hold it up and I'll zoom in on it.
It's a Minosaurus tooth.
Yep, that is a mosasaur tooth. And they were marine lizards that were predators about 80 billion years ago. They lived in the water, but they breathed air like modern day reptiles today, like crocodiles and alligators. That is so cool, Dex. That may be my favorite fossil that you found. Oh, you want to know a cool science fact it has in the booklet about
what?
Mosasaurs?
Mm-hmm.
They had double-hinged jaws, just like snakes, so they could eat their prey in a single gulp.
How many teeth?
It doesn't say, I don't think.
Double teeth, that means it had some on the top and on the bottom and on the sides.
Mm-hmm. They could be really big. They were anywhere from 10 feet to 55 feet long. And the largest fossil ever found was 57.5 feet long. That's more than 10 feet longer than the biggest T-Rex. So Dexter found another cool fossil. Can you hold it up, please? And I'll zoom in. That is cool. You know what that is?
No.
A white sea urchin.
Ooh.
So sea urchins are spiny marine animals that are related to sea stars and sea cucumbers and other sea creatures that have like 5 parts to them.
Like crabs.
Not crabs, but sea stars. Dexter found another fossil. A new one we haven't identified yet. Can you hold it up, please? By your belly, and I'll zoom in. Kind of turn it around so people can see it. So that is a pink gastropod. So gastropods, because they're relatives of the modern snail.
Hey, I found another cool discovery.
Hold it up, Dex. Okay. This is a crow shark. That is so cool. The crow shark was a formidable shark that lived throughout the entire Cretaceous period, but then became extinct. That is cool. That's one of their teeth.
You thought it was attached to one of these things.
I did, you guys. I thought it was part of another one of those ammonites, but Dexter washed it off, and it's actually a crow shark tooth. So Dexter was right. He knew what he was talking about. That is so cool. So it says the teeth from a crow shark resemble those of the modern tiger shark. That is neat. They grew to be about 10 to 15 feet long.
Oh, it's something in here. Hey guys, this was really fun.
You found some really cool fossils, Dexter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well, we've got a mess to clean up here.
Now Dexter to clean up.
For Dexter to clean up. Are you feeding him gummy bears? This one's spoiled shark.
Those were good. Hey Dexter, do you want to hear a dinosaur yet? So, yep. But there's Triceratops sit on.
What did Triceratops sit on?
A Triceratops.
A Triceratops? Okay, guys, well, tell us in the comments down below what your favorite fossil was that we found, and let us know what your favorite dinosaur is. Dexter, what's your favorite dinosaur?
T-Rex and a snowman.
And a snowman? Are you eating gummy bears? Go back. Dexter, are you eating Chomper's gummy bears? No?
He shared them with me.
Oh, well, that was nice of Chompers. Well, guys, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give us a big, what?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
See you next time.